Hi guys! So I am carrying water now. Hi guys! It's me again, Filipina Unique, and for today's video guys is we will go to the deep well because the main source of our water here in the countryside is getting dry. Yeah, because it's summer already guys. We're going to the spring. Ito na, upload na ako. Ikaw na lang. Uy, ikaw dala oy. Magkuan ka ba? Magsunod ko kay ona. Ay, videoan man ta mo. Hi guys, so we'll go to the deep well to get water guys. Yeah. Because the main spring of our countryside guys in the mountain is getting dry because it is already summer. Yeah, it's so very hot. As you can see guys, the grass is getting dry as well. Yeah. Hello everybody, welcome to that channel. Welcome to this vlog. Hello guys, look at the beauty of nature here in the countryside. It's very clear, although the grass is getting getting dry too because of our weather for today. Because our weather here in the Philippines is very hot. Yeah, that's why, as you can see, the grass is getting dry too because of summer. Okay, so this is the road guy is very it's very struggle here. So this is on the way to the spring. Ako i-post. Asa i-post ani kaning white? Di ba? Ako kanang wala i-post. The struggle when you're getting the water guys. If you are getting the water, that's a very struggle. This is the life of this is our life here in the countryside. We are very young age, so we are here always every morning to get water because this is the main source of water here in our countryside guys. So as you can see here, look at this one. Oh, the view here, it's very weird. And look at guys, it's very beautiful and very dangerous. Be careful everybody. Be careful because it's getting slide here. So this is a very struggle on the way to the source of water in the countryside guys. Lagi kumakay mong sanilas doon na suot doon. Na, sige. It's too late.
So as you can see in here, our province, this is our main source of income. The family here, the family has the source of income like this. Oh, it's
Like banana.
like a banana. And yeah. So this is the main source of our water in the province, guys. So we are now here.
Yeah.
So my aunties,
Auntie
Auntie Garing, be careful na. Okay. This is Filipina unique. Oh, this is the main source of the farmer here in the countryside, as you can see in here, guys. Oh, it's very nice. Though it's very hot, but as you can see in here, our onions is very green. Onion ba? Look at the view, guys. Yeah. Actually, guys, more din siya deep well. Ang deep well kaya naman to siya sa Laumgod.
Tangki.
Look at the surroundings, guys. Look at the view, mountain views. Wow. Oh, this is my Tia Garita. Yes. We are here. See? Ani man akong gusto niya. Dili sa pukagwantaw bit-bit man.
Hi guys. So I am carrying water now. Hala, sige basaan ako. Okay, nag-ulpot ng tubig na. Erit niya di ani kay sinumpayan. Ha? Kay sinumpayan baka ni.
Ilis na lang dito ni kapag.